The motocross world just got a seismic upgrade. Kawasaki has officially thrown down the gauntlet with the all-new KX350, a machine engineered to dominate tracks, trails, and everything in between. Packing raw power, cutting-edge tech, and the iconic KX legacy, this bike is poised to redefine what riders expect from a modern motocross weapon. Let's dive into the details of this two-stroke titan. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX350 lies a reimagined 349cc two-stroke engine, designed to deliver explosive power while staying surprisingly manageable. Kawasaki's engineers have fine-tuned the power valve system for smoother throttle response and a broader torque curve, ensuring relentless acceleration out of corners and brutal top-end speed on straights. A new electronic fuel injection system replaces the traditional carburetor, optimizing fuel delivery for consistent performance at any elevation or temperature. Whether you're carving ruts or blasting through whoops, the KX350's engine is a masterpiece of controlled chaos. Chassis and suspension. Built around a lightweight, high-tensile steel frame, the KX350 strikes a perfect balance between rigidity and flex. The updated geometry enhances stability at high speeds without sacrificing the agility needed for tight technical sections. Up front, a Showa 48mm coil spring fork offers 310 of travel, while the Unitrack rear suspension system features a fully adjustable shock to tackle everything from hard-pack to loamy berms. So, Kawasaki's attention to detail shines here. Riders can expect precision handling and a planted feel, even when pushing the limits. Technology and features. The KX350 isn't just brawn, it's brains too. A new launch control system gives racers an edge off the gate, while multiple ride modes, including a customizable option, let riders tailor power delivery to track conditions. The handlebar mount switch pod allows on-the-fly adjustments, and a compact digital display provides critical data like RPM, gear position, and lap times. For durability, the bike sports a reinforced skid plate, redesigned airbox for easier maintenance, and premium Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires that grip like glue. Riding experience. Kawasaki's KX350 isn't just about specs, it's about sensation. The ergonomics are dialed for aggressive riding, with a narrow seat profile and grippy foot pegs that keep you locked in during hard maneuvers. The bike feels lighter than its class suggests, flicking through corners with minimal effort, while the engine's visceral growl reminds you there's a beast beneath. From amateur enthusiasts to seasoned pros, the KX350 offers a ride that's as thrilling as it is confidence-inspiring. Availability and final thoughts. Slated for release in early 2024, the Kawasaki KX350 is set to hit dealerships with a competitive price tag that undercuts many four-stroke rivals. For riders craving the raw thrill of a two-stroke with modern refinements, this bike is a game-changer. Stay tuned to Acer Rider for in-depth reviews, track tests, and exclusive updates on the KX350. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell. You won't want to miss what's next. Until then, keep the throttle wide open.